Okay, we're landing from the east side.
All these ponds or lakes? Ponds.
Yeah, more like ponds.
There's a lot of little ponds around here. Feels weird.
Yeah.
What are you gonna do with those videos? Put them on Facebook?
YouTube.
I showed my friends your video. They just busted out laughing. We all did.
Which one? There's 169.
Margarina one.
Oh yeah.
We all busted out laughing, and then we watched it like 3 more times and laughed every time. And then I showed Cheyenne, my ex-boyfriend.
There's the bus barn where they make all the buses at.
So oh, we're at the airport.
Yep.
Where's Grandma should move down there because there's a lot of people that are wanting buses. A lot of bus drivers. A lot of them are quitting. And then at the junior high, they need a new bus lady. I mean, a lunch lady.
I didn't even get it, Will.
Just kind of feels like a car ride. Just your ears popping.
And that's how I get from here. It's also an hour and a half. Turn out beats 11 hours driving, doesn't it?
Yeah. Too bad you didn't get to see Brandon.
On behalf of Southwest Airlines,
I know I wanted to.
Tulsa, please remain seated. Those seatbelts securely fastened. Carry them start what they are.
Those are the American Airlines maintenance hangers over there.
Seatbelt sign. Be careful when opening the overhead vents. Items due to the ship during flight and could fall out. Connecting to their Southwest City, go out and check those TV monitors in the terminal for your flight gate information. Going on to 10 furthest your aircraft. We're going to ask you to remain seated. We'll have the local passenger seat blank. Once they have done so, Tisha's going to come to the back of your count. Once they've got our count confirmed with our ground crew, we'll make an announcement. That time you'll stretch your legs or go to the last. If Tulsa is your home, welcome home. Go out, look a lot, be safe, be kind to one another. Come back to us again real soon. We certainly have enjoyed spending part of our morning with you. We know you have many choices when you fly, and we thank you so much here at Southwest Airlines. Go out and enjoy your week ahead, and welcome to Tulsa. Also, never keep this aircraft as cool as possible while we are on the ground. If you go ahead and if you are on the window and stop enjoying your view of the Tulsa Airport, go ahead and close those shades and open those vents above you. Thank you so much, and welcome to Tulsa.
Oh well. Once we get to the gate, then I'll shut my blind. Oh well, once we get to the gate, then I'll shut my blind.
What do you mean by turning blind? You still can't take off our seatbelts?
Not yet, not until we get to the gate.
Why? Why?
Safety regulations.
Where's the gate then?
No, we're not. Not yet, we're not. Looks like we're going to B5.
Huh?
So we're going to B5.
How do you know?
I see it. It says B5 up there.
Okay, turn off your video.
No, I will in a moment. Wait till we come to a quick stop.